And hi there again. We are going to just go ahead and deal with some percents. Alright, the trick to dealing with percents is figuring out what you are looking for and knowing what to do once you've figured out what you're looking for. Alright, and when we deal with percent problems, we're always either looking for the part, the whole, or the percent. Alright, and I tell you, the toughest part is figuring out what you're looking for, but it's really not tough at all. Alright, so I've given us three examples. One where we're looking for the part, one we're looking for the whole, and the other where we're looking for the percent. So let's go ahead and deal with those. It's a little blurry, so bear with me. I'll go ahead and read it out to you as we go. What is 80% of 60? So we know we have our percent already. So we know we're not looking for percent. We are not looking for percent. And usually this word of is kind of telling, because most of the time behind your of is also going to be the whole. Alright, so if you got your percent and you've got your whole, then that means you're looking for what? You got it. You're looking for your part. Alright, and the trick to finding part, so let's go ahead and write we're looking for part. Please, when test time or quiz time comes, don't just tell me you're looking for part. I want to know what the actual part is. Okay, so we're looking for the part. That's a little bit more clear. We're looking for the part. Alright, and to find the part, we need to multiply the percent by the whole. Multiply the percent by the whole. So let's go ahead and do that. Before we multiply the percent, we have to change it into a decimal. That means we got to move the decimal place 2 places to the left. That's that way. Sorry. That way. Good. Alright, so 0.8, alright, times 60, and that's going to give us about 48. Alright, once you do the arithmetic, either plug that into your calculator or go into your margins. I'd rather you go into your margins, but either way will do. Okay, and that is your answer. 48 is 80% of 60. Alright, easy enough? Still pretty easy. Let's move on. All right, we're looking for 20 is what percent of 78? We've got that word of. Behind it we have 78, so that's our whole. All right, 20 usually comes before the word is. Sorry, your part usually comes before the word is. But what's more telling about this? What do you think we're looking for? What percent? Good. So we're looking for the percent. So in other words, we have our part and we have our whole. So let's go ahead and deal with those. And the trick to finding the percent, that's what we're looking for. The trick to finding the percent is to divide the part by the whole. So we're going to divide the part 20 by the whole 78. 20 divided by 78. You'll go into your margins, you'll figure that out, and that will give you right around 26%. Okay, it would have given you a decimal, but we know how to change decimals into percents by moving the decimal point 2 places to the right. That is that way. Okay, good. All right, last but not least, let's go ahead and find the whole. But how do we know we're looking for the whole? Our question says 35 is 92% of what number? All right, we know we have a percent here, so we know we're not looking for percent. We have a word before is, so we're thinking that's probably our part. And then after the word of, we're asking the question, what number? So we know we are looking for the whole. Okay, looking for the whole. And the trick with whole is, once you know you're looking for the whole, just remember you are going to divide the part by the percent. Divide the part by the percent. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. 35 divided by, remember, change this into a decimal, move the decimal place 2 places, 0.92, and you'll go into your margins, you'll figure that out, and it'll give you about 38. about 38. All right, was that clear? I hope that was clear. But just in case it wasn't, let me just give you the trick. Let me just give you the trick. This is sort of the cheat sheet. All right, pay close attention. When you're looking for part, you are going to multiply. You are going to multiply the percent times the whole. All right, when you're looking for part, you're multiplying or you're timesing the percent with the whole. Percent times whole gives you part. Percent times whole gives you part. Percent times whole gives you part. All right, do I need to say it one more time? I'll say it one more time just for fun. Percent times whole gives you part. I think I was saying that right the whole time. Okay, percent times part. Percent times whole gives you part. Good. All right, when you are looking for percent, right, you are going to divide your part by your whole. So part divided by whole is going to give you your percent. All right, to find percent, you divide the part by the whole. Part divided by whole gives you percent, right? Just like percent times whole gives you part. You with me still? Good. Last but not least, if you're looking for your whole, I just need you to remember that you are going to divide the part by the percent. And of course, the percent is always in decimal form. So part divided by percent gives you whole. All right, so when you divide part divided by percent gives you whole. One more time, part divided by percent gives you whole. All right, is that clear? Hopefully you will remember that, bear those things into memory. Moving forward, you'll have to know how to navigate between these things fairly quickly. So keep practicing, always keep loving, keep leaning, and keep learning. All right, until next time.